So the question, who is Candano Felix Alturu the second? Or in other words, who is Alturu? His full name is Candano Felix Alturu. Let's look at his educational background. Alturu studied his P1 at Acholi Primary School in Coach Goma. I mean to say in Coach Amida, sub-county in 2001. He studied his P2 in Lalia Primary School, Gulu City in 2002. So where did he study in 2003 to 2005? Alturu has been moving with a half of pupils from Palar Primary School in search of Joseph Kony, that is from 2003 to 2005, just to negotiate with Joseph Kony for peace. And then, unfortunately, they failed to get Joseph Kony. This is what is well known in the community. You know, children when they're young, when they're so young, primary kids, they are very ambitious. So they took this ambition to another height, to another level. That's what one of the special things about the group of Alturu. So P3 to P5, he studied in Palar Primary School in Palar sub-county. That is from 2006 to 2008. S1 and S2, he studied in Trinity College in Gulu City. By then it was Gulu, currently Gulu City. That is from 2009 to 2010. I mean to say, P3 to P5, he studied in Palaro Primary School in Palar sub-county from 2006 to 2010. Then P6 to P7, Maurice Primary School in Gulu, currently Gulu City from 2009 to 2010. Then secondary school, S1 to S2 in Trinity College in Gulu, currently Gulu City. That is from 2011 to 2012. Then in S3, studied in Vision College in Alturu, studied his S4 in AgroLink 2023 Academy in Wakisu district. So you may also ask why he didn't attend school in 2014 to 2017. Alturu dropped out of school due to the problem of school fees. You know, the challenge in northern Uganda. Even some of us who managed to complete time you stayed home for like months, maybe 2, 3, or even a term until you finish your degree. Difficult situation always. So when Alturu dropped out, Alturu went to selling pet by the roadside, and that is when he managed to get the school to go back to school from selling pet. So he was at OPEC. By then, you know, OPEC was the leading company in Uganda, and then Total came in overran. So at the institution, Alturu completed certificate level in 2018 to 2020 at Kitgum Business Institute, that is KBI, Accounting and Finance. He completed his diploma level in from 2022 to 2024 in Northern Institute for Business Study. The work experience of Candano Felix Alturu II. So pump attendant at Gasco petrol station in Gulu, supervisor Gasco petrol station in Gulu. He quit all his job, everything and education, come back and start helping actually in community sensitization and charitable act for the purpose of humanity. Currently, he works as mobilizer and acting chairman of Luo International chapter of Uganda. He is one of the actually who pioneered the Balalo Masco camp that you already know, which brought attention to the president to help the people who voted the most previously. And he is one of the director of partner for Acholi Justice Forum, which is currently known as Acholi Justice Forum. It is going to be registered as Acholi Partner Justice, and also he's one of the founder of Luo Community International. So one thing, additional things that I know about, he's very passionate about Acholi. He has leadership quality, advocacy quality. Yeah, the voice can pull crowd, can cause changes. And Jale is very committed, dedicated. That's one thing you must know about Alturu. Bit by bit, we will be introducing people who we keep bringing them out. Recently, we you already know Bosnian team, you already know Domatawa, you already know Lanya Gilbert. Yes, because we induct into the Acholi Hall of Fame. And also here, welcome to the Acholi Hall of Fame. Candano too. Thank you.